Amy, she joined us today at the KAM Method, and I'd just like to ask you, what do you think of today?
Truly amazing.
Yeah.
Like, it's just life changing. I've seen it for me and others in the room, that how the technique can just help you release things you were holding on to and just become a more brighter version of yourself.
Yeah, like you would have had a lot of anxiety.
Yeah, definitely, and a lot of self-confidence and self-esteem and kind of issues like that. And like even doing this kind of thing, I would have been really, really scared and nervous, like, oh my goodness, who's going to see it, what am I going to look like? Whereas now I'm like more confident, you know, and I've got rid of a lot of that kind of imposter syndrome.
Can you even feel that anymore, those feelings?
No.
Can you even think that way anymore?
No.
What's that feel like?
Alien. Like, it's just in a good way.
Yeah.
Like, it is. It's just like peace. My mind just feels at peace.
Brilliant. And are you excited to use this?
100%.
And who do you think you'll be using on?
My kids and my family and my sisters.
Brilliant.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
how simple was it to learn?
Very simple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you.
Thank you.